welcome back to my channel. Is Nony your favorite girl here? Guys, if you are yet to subscribe on my channel, I don't know what you're doing now. Click on that subscribe button. As you click on it, that upper one will be the one by the side, the bell, press it. That one is to show you the notification when I post. So welcome back, guys. If you're new, like I said, click. If you're old and you've not subscribed, I don't know what you want me to do for you. Should I fry egg? Please click. If you're old and you've subscribed and you've turned on the post notification, my heart beats for you. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what the life of a medical esthetician is in Nigeria. In this vlog, I'm going to be showing you everything I do. So if you really want to know what I do off camera, stay tuned to see what I do for 1 week, guys. Today is Monday, so let's get started. Good morning. Morning. How are you? How was your weekend?
Morning, ma'am.
Morning.
You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you, baby. Chico, thank you.
You have an urgent booking. The facial treatment.
What time is the booking? 12 p.m. We usually end our meeting by 11. Okay, 12 p.m. is fine. Why don't you do it? What exactly are we doing?
Facial treatment. Chemical cream.
Oh, okay, no problem. Vanessa.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine. Okay, I sent you something on your mail, so you should just check.
Oh, this one that all of you are funny. Is it the camera that makes people speak English like this?
Now, we have to take part, we have to...
Are you serious?
Yes, so
Is it the camera? Eh? Okay. Oh.
You look good. You look good, though. You look good.
Thank you. Chico, they said the same thing. You're saying the same thing. Guys, okay, let me show you what I'm wearing since everybody is praising this my small outfit today. Guys, see what I'm wearing. Is it fine? See, I'm wearing a church gown.
Ma, it's almost time for our meeting.
Oh, now wow. Can I even allow me to shine?
The feeling behind my eyes. You stood out cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment.
I'm
Distance
happy
sucks,
to
but
be at Nony's
white skies, middle November. You and I flights to.
Guys, today is Tuesday. How are you guys doing? See, guys, I'm tired. I was supposed to show you my whole day at work, but I got carried away with a lot of work. I'm seriously tired. See my face and my hair. I'm so tired. Tomorrow we'll continue, okay? Bye.
Wherever, I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
So we are shooting content. Hi guys, so today is Thursday and guys, see, I completely forgot to vlog the beginning of my day. Hey god, this vlogging thing is not easy. But just know I have clips of what I did today. It's just that I forgot to say, today is Thursday, I'm going to work and all of that. Guys, I forgot. Yesterday, I also forgot to vlog yesterday. I just remembered when I was actually leaving school. Yesterday was your girl's first day in school. Yeah, I've gone back to school. I'll give you the gist later on. Just know that your girl is now a postgraduate student. So yeah, I started school yesterday, so I completely forgot to just vlog a lot of things. I have short clips of things which I believe you must have watched before now. Okay, so today is Thursday and I've been at work, been very busy. See my face, see my tired face. Guys, I'm super tired. We are done for the day. As you can see, there's no lights. We are shutting down for today. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Don't mind, as long as it's with you. 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 lying down next to you will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you. Can you just one night? I know about your life, but tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't stop looking at you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. Can't stop looking at you.
You said I was scared because I thought I didn't even know when
There's nobody else.
need to whatever. In fact, I didn't know when you finished. It's okay.
There's nobody else. There's nobody else.
Hi guys, I've been working for hours today. I went to school. From school I rushed back to work because I heard I had so many appointments waiting for me that I had to handle my PhD. Guys, it's like 7 or so and I'm still at work working. I'm tired. I just finished with my last client now and I'm super excited that I'm finally going to rest tonight. The kind of sleep I was sleeping today is going to see my journey once more. I'm tired.
There's nobody else. There's nobody else. There's nobody else.
Guys, I am tired. I'm super tired. Today has been really stressful. I've been working since morning and to make it worse, I forgot that I'm supposed to do a chemical peel for my client that's supposed to leave Nigeria tomorrow. And this is like her third session, like her last session. Guys, I just finished now. This is like 7 minutes past 7 and I'm still at work. I am tired. I am hungry. I'm tired. Oh, it's not easy at all. It's not. Guys, remember when I told you I was tired and I was going home? This is almost 9 o'clock and we are still trying to buy fuel, a bit diesel, the petrol. Guys, it's not easy. So it's work. Hi guys, so today is Sunday and your girl completely forgot to end the vlog yesterday. See, you know, I was very tired. Imagine the whole stress of work and then entering that queue to get fuel. Guys, I was tired. That's why I completely forgot to end the vlog yesterday. So I'm at home. Today is Sunday and I'm just trying to do my routine. This is the regular skin routine I do whenever I want to just chill at home. I apply face mask and I chill, okay? So if you know you want to have a beautiful skin, I've created a video for this thing. There are small things you can be doing to maintain your skin. See, I'm just using rose water and a facial mask. It's my brand, Nony Skincare. Check us on Instagram or go to our website. So back to what I was saying, guys. So I believe you've all seen what my week looks like. You've seen what I work, how I work and the things I do, right? So if you have any question concerning medical aesthetics in Nigeria, if you have any concern about your skin, you have a skin impediment or skincare challenge you want me to help you with, please send a message. I'm going to see you through it. Just let me know that you're coming from YouTube and I'll give you special love. Do you get? So if you have any skin challenge, like I said, send me a message. Now, if you also have a content idea, if you want me to create content, more content around skincare, aesthetics and all that, guys, please let me know. If you have any other content topic or whatever it is you want me to create, another idea you want me to talk about, please just let me know. It's not easy. YouTubers are trying. See, coming up with ideas every day is not easy. So guys, if you have any idea, please let me know. Our skin clinic is located in Port Harcourt, Orazi, Port Harcourt, 8 Swiss Close off Ebony Road, so in Orazi, Port Harcourt. So if you have any skin impediment, like I said earlier, you want me to see your skin, you want me to work on your skin, you want me to help you out, come to the clinic or send me a message, okay? So this is me ending my vlog. I hope I tried. This is my first vlog, so just rate me 10 over 10. I know I tried, and I hope I tried. Just rate me well. Rate me well, okay? Guys, have you subscribed? After subscribing, did you turn on the post notification? If you did not turn it on, hey, please now, let me know. Let me not sharp mouth and say what I cannot do. Yeah, please subscribe, like, comment, share, please. Just support my hustle. This thing is not easy. Coming up with content, creating the content, editing it, posting it, guys, it is not easy, I swear down. So please just support me, okay? To have a wonderful week ahead, have a productive week ahead. Bye.